When it comes to choosing church management software, there are key things you need to know before buying. In this video, we'll go over 12 critical points you need to consider before making a decision, comparing GivingTools with other leading options. First up, it's essential to understand GivingTools' ease of use. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, making it simple for church staff to manage donations, track member engagement, and communicate effectively. While competitors like Breeze and ChurchTrack offer similar features, GivingTools excels with its streamlined setup that doesn't require a lot of training. Next thing to consider is pricing. GivingTools offers one of the most affordable subscription models in the market with no hidden fees. While some competitors charge extra for certain features, GivingTools provides everything at a flat rate, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious churches. The third thing to mention is donation processing. GivingTools supports multiple types of donations, from online payments to recurring contributions. Compared to Church Community Builder, which has some processing fees, GivingTools offers lower rates and transparent pricing. Next, we have reporting and analytics. GivingTools has strong reporting tools that allow you to track donations, generate tax statements, and get insights into church financials. While other software, like Planning Center, also provides reporting, GivingTools offers this at a much more accessible price point. The fifth thing to know is integration. GivingTools integrates seamlessly with platforms like QuickBooks and popular CRM systems. Some competitors require additional apps or integrations that may cost more or complicate things, but GivingTools keeps it simple. Next up is mobile access. GivingTools is optimized for mobile use, giving you full functionality while on the go. Many competitors still offer limited functionality on mobile, making GivingTools a standout choice for busy church leaders who need access to key features anytime, anywhere. The seventh thing you should know is security. GivingTools has high-level security protocols in place to protect sensitive data, and they comply with industry standards. While competitors like Tithe.li also offer secure services, GivingTools' emphasis on simplicity and security at an affordable rate is worth noting. The eighth thing is customization. GivingTools offers flexibility in customizing donation forms, member profiles, and reports. While some competitors can be rigid, GivingTools allows you to tailor things to fit your church's specific needs. The ninth point is support. GivingTools is known for excellent customer service, offering quick responses and helpful guidance. Some competitors, like Rock RMS, might provide great support too, but their more complex systems can sometimes slow down response times. Next, you need to consider scalability. GivingTools is suitable for both small and large churches, making it a versatile option. It compares well to other solutions like Planning Center, which is also scalable, but GivingTools offers a more accessible starting point for smaller congregations. The 11th thing to know is the platform's future updates. GivingTools regularly updates its features, listening to customer feedback, and improving its services. While other platforms do update their systems, GivingTools stands out for its transparency and willingness to innovate based on what churches need most. Finally, it's important to consider the overall reputation. GivingTools has earned a strong reputation for its affordability, ease of use, and reliability. While software like ChurchTrack has its loyal user base, GivingTools often gets the edge when it comes to overall satisfaction, especially for churches looking for simplicity and value. In conclusion, GivingTools is a solid church management software option that offers great features at an affordable price. But if you're looking for something even more tailored to your needs, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.